Hey guys, welcome back to One Stop Biology. So guys, in today's video, we are going to study about the metabolism of nitrogen. And if you have gone through all the videos of mine, we have already covered a lot of topics from the chapter 12 of class 11th biology, which is mineral nutrition. So we have covered what are macronutrients, we have covered what are micronutrients. And guys, this is with respect to plants. We are right now going through plant physiology, right? So we have gone through, what are the deficiency symptoms, what are the toxicity symptoms in case these elements are in deficient or they are in bulk. Then in the last video, we covered the translocation of solute, how the mineral is absorbed within the plant and how soil plays a very important role in mineral nutrition. So guys, in today's video, we are going to cover the nitrogen cycle. So guys, apart from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, nitrogen again is the most prevalent element in living organisms. And nitrogen is important for plants as well. Why so? Because nitrogen is a constituent of a lot of building blocks. So basically, it is a constituent of amino acid, protein, hormone, chlorophylls, and then many more vitamins and minerals, right? So if we compete with microbes for limited nitrogen, that is present in soil, right? Nitrogen is considered as a limiting nutrient for both natural and agricultural ecosystem. So basically, plants are deriving all the mineral nutrient from soil, right? And then again, we have various kind of microbes in the soil who again are dependent on nitrogen, which is available in the soil. So what is happening here is that plant and microbes are competing against the limited nitrogen content which is available in the soil, right? Now nitrogen, guys, exists as two nitrogen atoms joined by a strong triple covalent bond. So basically nitrogen is present as very strong triple covalent bond, right? Now the process of converting this nitrogen, which is N2, to ammonia, which is this, is known as nitrogen fixation. This process is known as nitrogen fixation, right? Now, in nature, lighting and UV radiation, right? These both provide energy, and this energy is used to convert nitrogen to nitrogen oxides first. So first, nitrogen is converted to nitrogen oxides. Now these nitrogen oxides can be NO, NO2 or N2O. And this is done by utilizing energy from light or UV radiation, right? Now, apart from this, industrial combustion, forest fires, automobile exhausts, and power generating stations. These are also sources of atmospheric nitrogen oxides. Now, decomposition of organic nitrogen of dead plants and animals into ammonia. So, there is another process where there is decomposition. Decomposition of what? All the organic nitrogen from dead plants and animals, right? Into what? Into ammonia. Now, this process is known as ammonification, right? So basically, guys, what is happening is that some of this ammonia now volatilizes and it re-enters the atmosphere. but most of it is converted into nitrate by soil bacteria. And what is the process? So basically what happens here is the ammonia which is being formed combines with oxygen and forms nitrates, and water is released as well, right? Or then what happens? This nitrogen oxide again combines with oxygen and forms nitrogen oxide, right? So basically, ammonia is first oxidized to nitrites. This happens by bacteria nitrosomonas, right? Or nitrococcus. And then this nitrite is further oxidized to nitrate with the help of bacteria Nitrobacter. So basically, the bacteria which is present in the soil bacteria, are converting this ammonia, right? It is they're oxidizing this ammonia into nitrites and then to nitrates. Now, this step is known as nitrification, right? And these nitrifying bacteria are known as chemoautotrophs, right? And you'll see this in the diagram as well that I'm going to show you. So let's see the exact nitrogen cycle in the form of a flow chart, right? So what is happening is, one, we have atmospheric nitrogen, right? Now there are multiple processes by which it is fixed. One can be biological, nitrogen fixation. The other can be industrial. So we said industrial processes also fixes nitrogen. One can be electrical as well. And then we have process of denitrification. Now through this, what happens is that the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, is converted to ammonia. Now this ammonia is converted to nitrite and then into nitrates, right? And this is happening in the soil, right? So this is the nitrogen pool which is present in soil. Now this nitrate is taken up by the plants. So plants uptake nitrogen in the form of nitrate, right? And then it goes to animals as well through plants. Now these plants and animals die at a point and they form the decaying biomass. Now this decaying biomass again goes into the pool of ammonia by the process of ammonification. Right? So basically, we are getting ammonia from the atmosphere by conversion of nitrogen into ammonia, and we are getting ammonia from the decaying biomass as well. And then this ammonia is getting converted into nitrite and then into nitrate. through the soil bacteria. So basically that is forming the soil nitrogen pool. And then this nitrate is being taken up by the plants, which goes into animals as well. And again, these plants and animals form the decaying biomass, right? Now, this nitrate basically is absorbed by plants. It is transported to leaves. Now, again, in leaves, it is reduced to form ammonia, which finally forms the amine group of the amino acids. So, they are basically constituent of amino acids. The nitrate, which is present in the soil, is also reduced to form nitrogen, and this happens by the process of denitrification, right? So remember that the nitrate in soil is reduced to nitrogen as well. So there is nitrification where the ammonia is getting converted to nitrate, or you can say the nitrite is getting converted to nitrate, and then there is just opposite to that as well, where the nitrate is getting converted into nitrogen again, and that process is known as denitrification. Now, denitrification is again done by bacteria, and bacteria like Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus. So guys, with this we have covered the nitrogen cycle. But remember that we are still left with the metabolism of nitrogen. In the next video, we are going to cover the biological nitrogen fixation. So basically here you can see we have mentioned what is that the nitrogen is fixed into ammonia, and that is known as nitrogen fixation. And we will specifically study how the nitrogen is fixed biologically. So I hope you would have understood this video. If yes, please do like it and share it with your friends. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all the updates that I'll be posting on my channel. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to mention your doubts in the comments of this video, or you can also send your doubts on WhatsApp. I have I have mentioned the WhatsApp number in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.